Hi friend, welcome to the daily quiz. In this video, test your observation skill. Can you find the odd number and letter within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Hello my genius viewer, welcome back in new ice cream edition. Nobody cannot find the odd number 38 among 33 in just 8 seconds. Good job, that's 138. Well start. 99% people fail to find the or letter LS between SL in 10 seconds. It's awesome, great job. Hey genius, one Saturday emoji breaks the rule of pattern. Can you find the odd green monkey emoji in just 8 seconds? Well done, that's one monkey ice cream emoji. Hey genius, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd number 46 between 49 in 10 seconds? Outstanding, that's 146. Come on my gentleman viewer, can you spot the odd soft ice cream emoji in 8 seconds? Boom! Take the strawberry flavor ice cream emoji. Hello my regular viewer, can you find the or letter EN between NE in 10 seconds? Brilliant! This is the letter EN. Hey ice cream lover, can you find the odd Philadelphia ice cream emoji in just 10 seconds? Great news! This is the Philadelphia ice cream emoji. Come on math lover, can you solve this? 15 multiplied 3 in just 8 seconds. Amazing! Option 3, 45. Hey my respectable viewer, can you find the odd fallen ice cream emoji in 10 seconds? Oh yes, this is the fallen ice cream emoji. Hey my new viewer, can you spot the odd one out number 86 between 84 in 8 seconds? Good observation, this is the number 86. Come on gentlemen, identify the one that stands out. Can you find the odd chocolate pastry emoji in 10 seconds? Great job gentlemen, this is the chocolate pastry. Only 1% viewer passed this challenge. Can you find the or letter CJ between JC in 10 seconds? Yes, good focus. This is the letter CJ. Easy level done, medium level start. Come on genius, spot the different number 6s4 between 654 in just 15 seconds. Wow, amazing! This is the number 6s4. Only smart viewer pass this mathematical question. 31, add 19, subtraction 10 and divide by 5 in 15 seconds. Good focus. Answer 8. Nobody cannot find the OR letter WBR among WRB in 15 seconds. Nice catch. This is the letter WBR. Hello my genius viewer, can you solve this general knowledge quiz? In which year did the French Revolution begin? Good job. Option 3, 1789. Hello genius, can you find the odd number in 10 seconds? Excellent. This is the number. Look closely. Something unexpected is hiding here. Which one is it? Super. This one, the odd emoji. Only the smart guys can find the odd number in the given time. Good job, this is the number. Hey viewer, can you pick the odd one letter in time frame? Hello my honorable viewer, one letter is different in the below letters. Can you find in 15 seconds? Great job, this one is the different letter. Hey my genius audience, one number is different. Can you find the odd number in time frame? Super, this number is different from other. In this quiz, my viewer, check your sharp eyes. Can you find the odd emoji in time? Hello my gentleman viewer, check your brain. Can you find the odd emoji in 15 seconds? Good job, your brain is perfect. Medium level done, hard level start. First question of the hard level. Hey viewer, test your visual skills. Can you find the odd emoji in 15 seconds? Nice work. These emoji. Can you spot the odd number in time? Good job, you spot the number. In this quiz, check your IQ level. Can you find the odd number in time frame? Hey viewer, are you focus master? Can you find the odd number in 15 seconds? One of these emojis is different. Can you see it? Hello my genius viewer, can you find the odd one in 15 seconds? Only the sharp eyes can find the odd emoji in time frame. Hey viewer, can you identify the odd number in 15 seconds? Hey viewer, test your brain power. Can you find the odd number in time? Hey viewer, which emoji breaks the rule of this pattern? Can you find the odd emoji within 15 seconds? Outstanding! This is the emoji. Only the math lover solve this math quiz. 68 4 multiply 6 in 15 seconds. It's right here. Good focus. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Thanks for watching.